Welcome to Skin and Health Hub, your home for natural beauty and simple DIY skincare that loves your skin back. There's something different about BlueSeal Vaseline, a simple jar with beauty secrets hidden in plain sight. Today, I'm revealing 7 shocking uses. And trust me, you'll want to stay for secret number 7. Secret 1. If your lips are cracked, peeling or painfully dry, BlueSeal Vaseline creates a healing barrier that softens deeply and restores smoothness. Secret 2. Dark knuckles don't stand a chance. Apply BlueSeal Vaseline overnight and let the moisture slowly fade the darkness while softening the skin. Secret 3. Use it on your lashes at night. It strengthens conditions and makes them appear fuller naturally. Secret 4. Sunburn. BlueSeal Vaseline calms the burn, seals in moisture, and helps restore your skin's glow. Secret 5. For cracked heels that look beyond repair. Apply BlueSeal Vaseline with socks overnight and watch the transformation. Secret 6. Struggling with hair loss or thinning edges. A small amount of BlueSeal Vaseline on your scalp and hairline helps seal in moisture, reduce breakage, and protect fragile strands. And now, Secret 7. The one most women don't talk about, but it's massaging BlueSeal Vaseline on the chest daily. Helps the skin stay firm, elastic, and smooth, creating the appearance of perkier, well-lifted breasts. 1 jar. 7 secrets. BlueSeal Vaseline. The beauty you never expected. If you loved these beauty secrets, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I drop simple, affordable beauty tips every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss the next one.